Hey, Dan Meyer here, and today we're going to talk about the 3 T's of analytics, right? So basically in this masterclass topic, we're looking at the talent, the technology, and the techniques that are needed to have really good data analysis done in your business. And they go hand in hand with the 3 I's. So before, in previous videos, we talked about how to identify, how to integrate, and how to inventory your data. And when you do that, then you're able to actually employ the right people, the right tools, and the right tech trainings to do things you need to get done in your business. So when it comes to talent, you want to find people who can look at an Excel spreadsheet and don't get a nosebleed. People who look at that and say, well, this is going to be fun. I'm going to find some patterns. I'm going to find some trends. I'm going to start answering questions that you may have about your business. Why are your sales down from last month? What area should you expand into next quarter? What is your best, most profitable customer? These kind of questions should be easy to answer if you have the data in your business at your fingertips and you have the right person to look and analyze that data. In some cases, that may be you. In some cases, that may be people that you hire. And in some cases, you may have people on your team whose primary job function is to analyze data. That's what I did when I was at Wells Fargo. And that was really my superpower, was being able to find the right data and inventory it and integrate it into the business decision making. And that's the talent. So you want to find people who are talented when it comes to working with data. And it's not just data entry, it's data analysis. If you ask someone, can they do a pivot table? Can they build a simple function? Can they do some simple models in Excel? And they say yes, then you're on the right path. If you say pivot table and they go, what? Then they're not really going to be somebody who's going to help you crunching the numbers in your business. As far as tools, well, I talk about Excel all the time. That is the primary tool. 90% of companies in the world today still use Microsoft Excel as their primary analytics tool. So you need somebody who's an expert in Excel above all else, because Excel is the blueprint, the foundation of all other analytics, right? So most people will look at data in an Excel spreadsheet. They look at pie charts, they look at line graphs, they look at bar charts, things that are created in Excel to explain data. So even if you have a high-powered data scientist working on data warehousing and pulling all kinds of models together to really put some really good predictive analytics together, you're still probably going to get it dumped into Excel at some point. So you got to know Excel. Beyond that, you got to have a good business dashboard tool. I talk about this in a future video, but basically you want to be able to take visuals of your data. You want to use Tableau or Power BI. I'll talk about these again. So that's the second one. The third one is technique. So the training to be able to use the tools comes from experience, comes from going to classes, comes from learning how to get better. When I first started, I didn't know how to write code. By the time I finished my 10 years at Wells Fargo, I was really good at writing code. I learned how to do all kinds of things in Excel, and I'm still learning things on a regular basis because Excel gets upgraded, as well as the fact that there's just more things to always learn. The best place to learn new techniques is YouTube. Go to YouTube, follow an expert, somebody who's out there creating videos about how to do this and how to do that and how to do that. Look how many followers they have. Look how many comments they have. Look how current it is. But find that YouTube expert to tutor you or tutor someone in your business how to make more sense of your numbers. So you have the right person, the talent. You have the right tools like Excel, and you have the right techniques by getting training from experts. I'll talk about more of these in the future videos, but that's really the 3 T's of analytics. I hope that helped. Stay tuned for more videos from my masterclass, more tips on how to be more successful when it comes to using the data in your business. Thanks a lot. Get out here and have a great day.